Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the latest Android update and what it means for your Google Pixel device. With new features and backup options being rolled out, let's dive in and see what's new. Google has started rolling out local documents backup on Android, which allows you to automatically save your downloaded documents to Google Drive, ensuring they are safe and accessible from any of your devices. In terms of design and build, there's nothing new to report, as this is a software update, but we can expect the same quality and attention to detail that Google is known for. When it comes to specs and performance, the update doesn't bring any significant changes, but it does improve the overall backup process, giving you more control over what's being backed up and when. The new features are where things get really interesting, with the ability to turn off SMS and RCS backups, as well as the new local documents backup option. You have more control over your data than ever before. There are no significant rumors or leaks to report at this time, but we can expect to see more updates and new features in the coming months. As for the expected release date and price, the update is already rolling out to devices, and it's free, so you won't have to pay anything to get the new features. In my verdict, this update is a significant improvement for Android users, giving you more control over your data and making it easier to keep your devices backed up and secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.